All right, friends, it's time for that midweek sales report. This is basically a quick video. We're going to hit up midweek to give you some actual sales numbers. Now, a lot of our weekend videos that you may be watching, we're giving you the potential ultimate price on what we can get. These little midweek videos are going to be more of a realistic price of what we actually sold the things for. So I got my scale here. This is and some bubble wrap. Most of our items like this iPod that we sold are going to be able to fit very easily in one of these and ship. So we're going to be looking at weights and actual profit, what we're going to be making. So yeah, first item we sold was this iPod Nano. It is the 4 or 8 gigabit version. You can see we paid $10 at Goodwill for it. This thing actually sold for $45. It weighs, you're looking at what, 3 ounces, 2 ounces there. And yeah, so that is going to fit really easily in this bubble wrap. We sold this guy for $45. Probably going to ship for right around $2.50 in the bubble wrap. And yeah, that's going to net us quite a bit of money there. So yeah, again, 45 bucks. Okay, so the second thing that we sold was this DeWalt charger for a cordless drill. And you can see that that's weighing in under a pound, which is great. We can do first class shipping on this for probably, I'm guessing around $5, maybe $6, depending on how far it's going. And we paid $5 for this guy, sold for $23 on eBay. So minus $5, you're looking at about $15, between $10 and $15 in profit there. Okay, the next thing we sold was this Panasonic KX-TS840 corded office phone. And you can see we picked this guy up for $5.99, and this sold for $45. So you're looking at just under 2 pounds in shipping weight. Again, it's going to be probably between $7 and $10 to ship this thing. We're going to need one of our larger bubble wrap envelopes or a small box. But again, $6 sold it for 45 bucks. You're looking at a decent profit there. Thing we sold are these Microsoft Visual Basic books. You can see there's 3 of them. They're very large and they're weighing in at 10 pounds. Now, we actually were able to pick these up for free at a garage sale. People, just think they're old and they want to get rid of them. These Microsoft books actually will sell very well. We sold this entire set for $46. So free to 46 bucks is great. So we're going to send these out media mail. So even though it's 10 pounds, we're actually going to get a decent shipping rate. Probably, I'm guessing $6, maybe $7 to ship all those out. So you're looking at a pretty great profit for, again, free book. Okay, next item we sold is some ink. This is the Brother. You can see the model number there, magenta ink. Bought this for about $1 at a garage sale. And yeah, we actually just sold it on eBay for $10. You can see that it's really low shipping weight. We'll throw it in one of these envelopes that'll go out for about $2.50. So not a huge deal right there, but again, super easy to ship. We'll net $6-7 bucks. All right, the next thing we sold is this Canon HD camcorder. There is the model number right there, the Vixia HFR21. And this guy we purchased, you can see for $20 there at a thrift shop. It weighs just over a pound, so you're looking at probably about $6-7 for shipping. But this one actually sold for $90. So again, pretty decent profit on that guy. Okay, that's it for this midweek sales report. Friends, this is our essential toolkit that you're looking at as resellers. Really, all of the tools you need, so small. A little tape gun to tape up boxes and things like that. A scale, something to measure your boxes with, and a little tape measure there, as well as bulk bubble wrap and bulk bubble mailers. So if you're interested in any of those things, look in the description box below. We'll have links. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We've got another big picking video coming up this weekend.